Numerico.
Hey Brainiacs, ready to turn confusion into aha moments? In today's video, we'll crack open the cheat code of sign conventions. Ever felt confused whether g is plus 9.8 meters per second squared or g equals negative 9.8 meters per second squared? In today's video, we'll clear up the mystery of signs conventions, and you'll see it's not about memorizing rules, it's about being consistent. Here's something worth remembering. There's no universal always positive or always negative force. It all depends on the direction you choose as positive. Let's start with the case of free fall. Imagine you drop a ball. If you call downward positive, then gravity is plus 9.8 meters per second squared. Velocity increases in the positive direction. If you call upward positive, then gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Velocity decreases in the positive direction. Same physics, same final answer, just different signs. The key? Stick with the choice you made at the start. Next case, throwing a ball up. If you call up is positive, initial velocity is plus, gravity is minus. The ball slows, stops, and comes down. If you call down is positive, initial velocity is minus, gravity is plus. The ball still slows, stops, and comes down. Different signs, but the motion is identical. Consistency keeps it correct. Next stop, springs. A stretched spring always pulls back. Hooke's law is F equals minus kx. That minus sign? It just means the restoring force is opposite to displacement. Again, the meaning depends on how you defined positive. Let's test this with numbers. A ball is thrown upward with speed 20 meters per second. Take g equals 10 meters per second squared. Find the maximum height. First, let's take upward direction as positive. Initial velocity, u, is plus 20 meters per second. Acceleration due to gravity, g, equals minus 10 meters per second squared. At max height, final velocity, v, equals 0 meters per second. Equation? V squared equals u squared plus 2as. 0 equals 20 squared plus 2 times negative 10 times s. 0 equals 400 minus 20s. S equals 20 meters.
If we take downward direction as positive, we'll still arrive at the same answer.
Initial velocity, u, equals minus 20 meters per second. Acceleration due to gravity, g, equals plus 10 meters per second squared. At max height, final velocity, v, equals 0 meters per second. Equation, v squared equals u squared plus 2as. 0 equals minus 20 squared plus 2 times 10 times s. 0 equals 400 plus 20s. S equals minus 20 meters. The negative sign here only means 20 meters upward, since we defined downward as positive. In both cases, maximum height is 20 meters. Perfect agreement. Now let's jump to optics for a second. Here too, signs can feel confusing, but the idea is exactly the same. The rule most textbooks follow is this. Distances measured in the same direction as the incident ray, the incoming light, are taken as positive. Distances measured opposite to the incident ray are taken as negative. To wrap up, whether it's mechanics or optics, pick a positive direction, up versus down, left versus right, along ray versus against ray, stick to it throughout the problem, and the math will always lead you to the correct physical result. Stick to that rule, and lenses and mirrors stop feeling like a nightmare. That's it, folks. From zero glow to full disco. Another tricky concept cracked. If this video turned your head scratching into disco bulb moments, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Got more confusing terms you want me to break down? Drop them below. I'd love to help you out. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and let your neurons party on.